Although your BMG software contains default protocols to read your LVis plate, it is sometimes beneficial to make sure that everything, including plate layout, is set up to your satisfaction before you read your samples. This video will provide a couple of examples of how these changes can be made. As an example, we will use the double-stranded DNA assay button. If you right-click on the button, you will find the option to edit the protocol. If you want, you can make changes to read speed and use of sequential blanking in the basic parameters, but for this, we want to define a layout. The plate has duplicate samples that are arranged vertically. You can click on the top of the column to fill the sample locations appropriately. Since we have the plate ready, we can start the measurement. You can monitor test duration from the main screen, or click Current Status to view results in real time. After the test is complete, close Current State to make sure that the data is saved. The data can now be viewed in MARS. Since this assay button is linked to a data analysis template, some calculated results will be seen immediately. In this case, the purity validation 260-280 ratio is what is shown. Since we have already defined replicates, it is easy to perform some basic statistics, such as average concentration would be useful to know, as is the standard deviation within these replicates. You'll notice that each time a new calculation is performed, a new color-coded node is added to available data. The data that can be viewed is easily removed or added by clicking on the corresponding node tick box. You can also edit the protocols found within Manage Protocols. Double-click the desired protocol or highlight and click Edit to open the. For these protocols, all parameters can be edited. Again, let's change the layout. First, we choose to empty the existing layout. This time we define the duplicates as standards that go down column 11 and up column 10. Standards should be associated with an appropriate concentration. In this case, the starting concentration is 2,000 nanograms per microliter, and a two-fold dilution series was performed. Clicking on the concentration header fills the table appropriately, and with the desired changes made, we can click Start Measurement. IDs can be added to the dataset if you choose. The test duration indicates the status of the reading. If needed, you could stop the reading at any time. Once completed, we can open the data to view it in MARS. We can then apply a template to perform some of the desired calculations. The double-stranded DNA or dsDNA calculation template selects appropriate wavelengths from which DNA concentration and sample quality can be determined. Additional calculations can be performed based on the replicates available. Since we have defined the duplicates as standards with known concentration, we can easily create a graphic representation of the data. You can see that there are a number of discrete values that can be selected for the curve. There are also other options, but we can stick with linear regression and the default settings. The standard curve that is created can now be viewed. If you so desired, error bars and other enhancements can be added that will show more information about what is going on with the data. In addition, the fit quality can be checked by clicking on Fit Results. If you have any questions about what was covered in this video, or are interested in additional calculation and standard curve options, please contact us.